What's up everybody? In today's video I am installing Xpel PPF on a brand new 2023 Model X Tesla. It's 52 degrees out here in Corona. I am up a little bit higher elevation in the hills in Corona. I am installing outside so that the sun does help me in my favor. I have done that in the past and it seems to work when there's no wind, and there's no wind today. As you can see, I'm installing the hood first, and excuse my voice, I am a little sick. The hood on this is fairly easy, it's pretty straightforward. It's nothing too crazy to be concerned about. It is cold, so I am using a steamer, as you see. The bumper is pretty easy on this one. It's a little bit more flat all the way around, unlike the Model 3 and Model Y, which are curved on the top and sideways. So yeah, so I start out with the edges, or not the edges but the sides, lock those in, and then I lock in the lower sides, and then I do the middle. Seemed to work pretty good this time around. I have done about 3 of these already, and I found that that's probably the best way to do it. And then the lower piece fits right in between 2 pieces of PPF. There's like a couple seams, and as you butt them up against the other pieces, you cannot see them. But over time, on white, you probably will see it. It's just the nature of PPF. I haven't tried to do a one-piece seamless install on this vehicle yet. I've been doing a lot more kit installs just because I have the computer and plotter now. It just makes my life easier, given how busy I am. A quick little tip, always make sure to post heat. And when you're done post heating, post heat again. Really make sure those edges are down. Don't ask me how I know. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will try to answer them as best as I can. Thank you for watching. Excuse my voice again. All 3 kids got it, my wife, everyone got it. So we're just trying to recover, but stay tuned for more content. Thank you. Woo.